the first really important thing that I learned in doing a Tantra course that was really, really important for me, and well, it's very simple, but it changed my whole view on the world. And what I learned was that we are all 100% responsible for our own happiness, for what we want and don't want to happen. Before I heard that, I was very. It was very easy for me to compromise myself to please someone else. One of the things that's very important when I have sex, when I play around, is for me to be very clear with presenting that I love having sex, but I don't want to play with someone that's choosing to ejaculate or come on the clit, and put those boundaries in the beginning before I start playing, and then decide, you know, if this person agrees on it, then I can have a lot of fun. If not, I will leave. Because I'm not attached to being with this person. Of course I want to, but if we're not on the same practice, you know, I can go somewhere else, because there's a lot of hot, interesting people out there. Also, my kind of issues with staying away from playing with my clit has always been that I used it to kind of comfort myself, or if I wanted to go to sleep, I could play with my clit and then get tired to go to sleep. But also if I was angry, I could play with my clit and then I don't feel so angry afterwards. So it was very important for me to start living out my anger in some way, like going for a run, because it's just like a lot of energy. Like going for a run helped me a lot, or going to the gym, something like that.